Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put the x go to the right and we divide both sides by x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y to the power of 4, we have y to the power of 5 over 5, 1 over x, we can put like this, x divided by x, we have number 1. The integration of 1 over x, we have ln of the absolute value of x, number 1, that is about x, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when x equals to number 1, y equals to number 6. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 1 gone here, number 6 gone here. Ln number 1, we have number 0. And now c equals to this one minus number 1, and we have 7,771 over number 5. And now we have the final answer. So I will put this one gone here. Later that, we multiply both sides by number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.